Why is it every time I come to a Walmart in bad weather, they gotta run the damn tornado sirens? Oh my God. Actually, I don't think those were tornado sirens. Could have been fire truck, ambulance. I don't know. But let me tell you, Miss Goose over there has got the right idea. Don't know if y'all can see her or not. Hiding over there in the corner. Smart goose. I'd be hiding out of this weather too. Got some lightning coming this way. I don't hear the sirens no more. Nope. I don't hear the sirens no more. Holy cow, it's like dead calm now. It's not even raining. I don't hear anything now. Alright, woohoo from Texas Harris. I'll let y'all know when the next bad one comes through. Talk to y'all later. Bye.